Hello everybody. So today I want to show you how to do about inverse matrix of 3 by 3. So I just write the answer in here. So if you want to get the correct one at the end, this one should be about diagonal 1 1 1 in here. So this one that is about the inverse matrix. Now I will show the step by step how to answer. The first thing, we have this matrix and we want to convert this matrix into like this. This is one that is about the inverse matrix. So this one, that means at the row of number 2, here is about row of number 2. So we use about the value of row of number 1 plus number 2 multiplied by row of number 2. That means we put number 2 in here, 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 and number 2 in here. So we have the row of number 1. So we have number 2 plus negative number 1 multiplied by number 2. And at the location of row number 2, we put the result in here. So negative 17 plus 11 multiplied by number 2, you got number 5. Similar for this one, we have negative number 3. But in here, we have number 1 plus about 0 multiplied by number 2, you got number 1. 0 plus 1 multiplied by number 2, we have number 2. And this one, with this one, you still got number 0 in here. Now, in the next one, because we want to create about diagonal 1 1 1, so in this one, number 2 in here, we need to multiply by 1 over 2. That's why you got number 1 in here. Similar for this one, multiply by 1 over 2, we have this one and this one. Number 1 multiply by 1 over 2, we have this one in here. After you do this way, we do similar for the row of number 2. So because we have number 5, so that's why we multiply by 1 over 5. So that's why we got number 1 in here. Negative number 3 with 1 over 5, we have negative number 3 over number 5 in here. So number 1 with 1 over 5, we have this one and this one. Number 0, that's still number 0. The next one, we want to cancel number 3 in here. So that's why we use about negative number 3 multiplied by the row of number 2, because we have number 1 right here, plus the value of the row of number 3. So that's why you got number 0 in here. So negative 3 over 5 multiplied by negative number 3 plus negative number 2, you got this value in here. So 1 over 5 multiplied by negative number 3 plus the value of number 0 in here. That's why we have this one. Similar for the next one, 0 with the value that's still numbers 1 in here. Now, after you got negative 1 over 5, we multiply by negative number 5, so you got about number 1 in here. So we just create about diagonal 1 1 1. And on here, we multiply by negative number 5. So negative number 3 over number 5 multiplied by negative number 5. You got about number 3. Similar for this one, we have number 6 and number 1 with negative number 5. We have negative number 5. On the next one, because we have negative number 3 over 5, so we use about the growth of number 3. 5 3 over 5 plus the growth of number 2, so that we cancel this one and you got number 0. And because number 3 multiplied by 3 over 5 plus 1 over 5, we have number 2 in here. Similar for this one and this one. And the last one, we want to cancel this one and this one. So we use about the row of number 2 and the row of number 3. We multiply by 7 over 2 for this one and negative 11 over 2 for this one. So that's why you got this one in here. And at the end, on the right, if we use number 2 multiplied by 7 over 2 and number 3 multiplied by 11, negative 11 over 2 plus about 2, we have number 1. Similar for this one and this one. And this is the final answer we need to find in here. This is the end. Thank you for watching.